We've all seen it. A technician stuck in a basement staring at a loading spinner on their device, unable to work. But what if that network dead zone was actually the place where your business could gain its biggest competitive advantage? This isn't just about working anywhere, it's about working faster. Offline apps are often more responsive than cloud-reliant ones. Every single minute your team spends hunting for a signal is a direct and calculated hit to your company's bottom line. Next, we'll break down the architecture, prove the reliability, and show how it creates real cost savings and satisfied customers. So, what does true operational continuity look like? It means completing full inspections from start to finish with zero interruptions. Technicians can access everything they need: customer history, equipment manuals, and checklists, all stored locally on their device. All data, notes, photos, even customer signatures is captured and saved instantly, reducing the risk of losing work to a dropped connection. This creates a smooth, frustration-free experience for your team. A predictable app is one that technicians will actually trust and use. This flawless experience isn't magic. It's the result of a specific design principle called offline-first architecture. Most apps are online-first, needing a constant server connection. Offline apps treat the device itself as the primary server. So how does the data get from the field back to the office? The process begins with a secure, local database on the tablet or phone. Once the device reconnects to the internet, the app detects it and automatically begins syncing the new data with the central system. And this isn't a clumsy data dump. The app intelligently sends only the changes, minimizing data usage, and the tech's workflow is never interrupted. Because data is entered digitally at the source, it eliminates transcription errors. You get cleaner, more reliable data than with paper forms. But this brings up a vital question. What if a tech updates a record offline while someone in the office updates the very same file? Handling these data conflicts is what separates a good offline app from a great one. You'll see exactly how that works in a moment. An HVAC tech in a sub-basement with no signal completes an inspection, photographs a fault, gets a signature, and generates an invoice, all offline. A landscaping crew on a rural property documents their work with geotagged photos, with the data syncing automatically when they drive into town. A pest control tech must document chemical usage for regulatory compliance. An offline app ensures this is completed accurately on-site every time. In every case, the job is completed fully and professionally on the first visit. This reliability isn't just about tech, it's about your brand. Now, you might be thinking, if all this data is stored on the device instead of the cloud, is it actually secure? A valid concern. Let's return to that data conflict question. Sophisticated apps use built-in rules to flag conflicts for review or accept the most recent change. Professional-grade apps don't just save data, they encrypt it. Using built-in OS-level standards, the data is unreadable without authentication. Businesses can also use mobile device management solutions to remotely wipe data from a lost device and enforce strong password policies. And what about large files like photos and videos? Offline apps handle them perfectly, but this requires sufficient storage on the device itself. So when built correctly, offline functionality doesn't compromise security. It strengthens it by adding layers of local protection. Remember that technician staring at the loading spinner? That wasn't just wasted time, it was a potential repeat visit and a delayed invoice. By ensuring the job is done right the first time with accurate data, you eliminate those hidden costs. No more unpaid return trips. The productivity boost from stopping the network search allows your team to complete more jobs per day, creating a powerful market advantage. And when technicians are armed with a reliable tool, they project confidence. That experience translates directly to customer satisfaction and loyalty. An app that works without Wi-Fi isn't just a nice-to-have for tricky locations. It is the foundation of a modern, resilient service operation. It guarantees operational continuity for your team, protects the integrity and security of your data, and directly improves your bottom line. Ask yourself, is your current software an asset in every environment, or is it a liability the moment a connection is lost? What is that costing you? Stop letting connectivity dictate your business's performance. It's time to demand a tool that works wherever you do. Make it your greatest strength.